Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Shahadat. At first I remember God, and then I remember our Prophet Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who is the greatest man of the world, builder of Islam. And then I remember my parents, who is the main source of my Kaminat. I hope that you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well by the grace of Almighty. I am to say something about English language. English is a very important in our life. English is a very essential in our daily life because English is an international language, but we cannot to speak English. So I think everybody need to teach English. Few days ago, I cannot to speak English. My speaking English was not good. Then I saw the video in the YouTube channel and practicing with me because I have no partner to speak. I follow the most of English therapy Saibul sir, Shafiz and Rahat sir. Above all, I can to say speak English. No more today. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.